Hi, I'm Andy from Cornthwaite Solutions. I'm going to give you a quick solutions video today on how to set up a client farm and field in your Gen 4 display. So there's two ways we can get to our client farm and field. The first one is via our menu, which we can go Menu, Applications, and find our Fields and Boundaries app. And within the app, you can see in the bottom left hand corner we have Manage Client Farm and Fields. So we can then get into there to add new or select already customers that are in there. But just before we do that, for documentation to select your customer, we can then go on the Setup app on the bottom left hand corner of your home screen into Location, which we can then choose which customer, which client, which farm and which field. So when they're selected, the documentation will be recorded under them. So I'll just show you how to add a new one. So we can then, if we want to create a new client, we can then click on Client, Edit Clients at the bottom, Add New Client, and then we can add a new one in here. So when you then create our new client, we can then create a farm under that client, or several farms if he has them. And then within that farm we can then create his fields. So now they're created, if we're trying to record documentation for them fields, if we go back to our Setup app on the toolbar on the home screen, whichever client farm and field is in our Location tab is what we're going to be recording data for. So if we just choose the one we've just created, so client form for field farm 1 and field 1, you'll now see in our summary we have field 1 in client 4 and farm 1, and that's what we're going to record the documentation for. Thanks for watching the video on the client farm and field. If you require any more assistance, please get in touch.